Hey, my Facebook family. I'm making my sweet cream of beans or cream sweet beans or what we call habichuela con dulce. Aquí haciendo la habichuela con dulce, man. I put about 2 cans of pinto beans, boiled them, and and 1 can of red kidney beans and boiled that. And I mixed it all up in a liquidator. And this is what I got after I strained it, which is a soupy substance, along with 2 cans of carnation milk, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and I put a cup of sugar, about a teaspoon of butter, and a pinch of salt. I think I mentioned a cup of sugar, did I? And then I put I didn't have no 3 sticks of cinnamon, so I used about a teaspoon of cinnamon and about a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And then I didn't have the regular sweet potato in the Dominican Republic, so I had to get some organic sweet potato that was already cubed. All I did was microwave that for about 4 minutes and stuck it in. That's what you see here. I hope it tastes good like that, because I'd rather have the yellowish or white Dominican sweet potato or Hispanic sweet potato than the candy yam or the yam kind of sweet potato. And then of course I added about some of that vanilla. I put some of that in there, and about a cup of raisins. A cup of raisins. That's what I did. Oh, and 8 clovers. 8 sticks of clover. You might see the clovers right there. Those are little black little sticks you sticking out if they come up. And then while I was at the store trying to find some sweet potato, some Dominican sweet potato, I found this. Let's see if I find it here. I found cans of this. A can of cream of beans, habichuela, Goya. So I couldn't believe I found this in a Mexican store. They're about $2.19 plus tax, about $2.50 a piece. And but anyway, it came out real good. I gotta try those cans, but I'm making my own. So this is it right here. It's about done. So I'll type in the recipe to this video later when I post it. And that's about it. So ahí está mi habichuela con dulce dominicana, estilo Ramon. Estilo Ramon. Anyway, I gotta wait for it to cool down before I see what's up with it. And I'm not doing no free advertising for, what is that, Wingstop. My son and my wife decided to get some Wingstop for dinner today. But yeah. That's it. Hola, Mercy. Prima, ¿cómo está? Alexandra, ¿cómo está? Hey, Sharon. Yeah. Hey, Sandra. Yeah. So, I think this is going to be it. I'm going to just turn that oven off and let it simmer for a little while. I'm going to take it off. And I'm going to enjoy me some cream of beans, sweet cream of beans. For those of you that don't know what it's like, I guess you could take it from one of them. If you ever, in New York City, we always used to have the Muslims come by selling bean pies. Bean pies. I used to love them bean pies, by the way. And so, anyway, this is similar to that, except it's in a soup. It's a soup kind of substance instead of in a bean pie. So it's basically the same thing of beans with condensed milk, carnation milk, coconut milk, sugar, cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg, a pinch of salt, vanilla, and then of course the sweet potato, which I didn't. Again, I had to use the American kind of sweet potato. And raisins. I put about a cup of raisins. I think it calls for 2 cups of raisins, but I just put about a cup because I didn't want it to be too sweet, and the raisins will make it sweeter as it is. But yeah, but that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bendición, abrazo a todo el mundo. Espero que ustedes hayan comido para su Pascua su habichuela con dulce. Los quiero mucho. Un abrazo a mi primita. Un abrazo. Chao. Oh, let me see. I guess I better look at me. You see me? Habichuela con dulce. Beso, bendiciones.